Today's topic is implementation of higher order decoders. So let us implement some higher order decoders using lower order decoders. So we are going to implement first 3 to 8 decoder using lower order decoder, and second one 4 to 16 decoder again using lower order decoder. So for 3 to 8 decoder we need since we are implementing this decoder using lower order decoder, so we are going to use 2 to 4 decoder to implement this higher order decoder, that is 3 to 8. Now since 2 to 4 decoder has two inputs, suppose A1 and A0, and 4 outputs, that is suppose from Y0 to Y3, and whereas 3 to 8 decoder has 3 inputs, suppose A2, A1 and A0, and 8 outputs, that is from Y0 to Y7. So now we have to find the number of lower order decoders for required for implementing this higher order decoder. So we will use a formula, that is required number, how many how many decoders, how many lower order decoders we are required to implement this higher order decoder. So there is a formula, that is M2 upon M1, where M2 is number of outputs of higher order decoder. Here number of outputs of higher order decoder, that is 8, so M2 is 8, and M1 is number of outputs of lower order decoder, that is 4. Lower order is 2 to 4 decoder and output is 4, so that is 2. So required number of 2 to 4 decoder is 2, means we need 2 to 4 decoder to implement 3 to 8 decoder. So let's check. This is 2 to 4 decoder, and since we need 2 to 4 decoder, so we will use 2 to 4 decoder to implement 3 to 8 decoder. Now it has 4 outputs, it also have 4 outputs. Suppose this is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, this is Y5, this is Y6, and this is Y7, and we need 2 inputs for this. So this is A1, and suppose this is A0, and these 2 inputs will apply to this higher order also, this, and we need one enable input. So since A2, A1 and A0, these are the input to these are the inputs of 3 to 8 decoder. So this is A0, this is A1. Now we need A2, this is A2, this, and this also. So this A2 will work, this will work as enable. Now we have 3 inputs, A0, A1 and A2, and we have 8 outputs from Y0 to Y7. This whole circuit will form a 3 to 8 decoder. A2 will work as enable input. See, if A2 is 1 here, then this will be here, enable input will be 0, and this enable will be 1. That time we will get output from this decoder, that is y0 to y3. When a2 equals to 0, that time this decoder will not be enabled and this decoder will be enabled, because that time a2 is 0, so this e will be 1 and we will get output from y4 to y7. Now implement 4 to 16 decoder using lower order, that is 3 to 8 decoder. We will implement 4 to 16 decoder using 3 to 8 decoder. Now we know 3 to 8 decoder has 3 inputs, that is suppose A0, A1 and A2, and 8 outputs, that is suppose from Y0 to Y7. And 4 to 16 decoder has 4 inputs, that is suppose from A0, A1, A2 and A3. And 16 outputs, that is from suppose that is Y0 to Y15. So these are the output of 4 to 16 decoder, and these are the 4 inputs of 4 to 16 decoder. Now from the required formula, that is M2 upon M1, where M2 is output of higher order decoder, that is 16, and M1 is output of lower order decoder, that is 8, that is equals to 2. So we need 2 3 to 8 decoders to implement 4 to 16 decoder. So let's check. These are 2 3 to 8 decoders, and 3 to 8 decoder has 3 inputs, that is A0, A1 and A2, and same input will be applied to this upper 3 to 8 decoder also. And this one has 8 outputs, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6 and Y7, and it also has 8 outputs, that is Y8, Y9, 10, Y11, Y12, Y13, Y14 and Y15. So now we need an enable input also. Suppose A3, this A3 will work as enable input. So this is the diagram for implementation of 4 to 8 decoder using 3 to 8 decoder. Here we have 3 input A0, A1, A2, and these are applied to these 2 decoders, each of 3 to 8 decoders. The complement input, that is A3, is connected to enable E of lower 3 to 8 decoder, and we will get the output from Y0 to Y7, and these are the lower 8 minterms, and the input A3 is directly connected to higher order decoder, enable of higher order decoder, and we will get output from Y8 to Y15, and these are the higher minterm. When A3 will be 1, that time we will get output this 1, then this 3 to 8 decoder will be enabled and we will get output across Y8 to Y15. And when A3, and that time this E will be 0, so we will not get any output across this decoder. When A3 will be 0, then this decoder will be inactive and we will get output from this lower order decoder.